Hello guys, welcome to our store rootblade.com. We are dealer of Cheburkov company and we would like to make some unboxing of new knife from Cheburkov called Kori. This is a certificate of authenticity. Cheburkov worksmanship is situated in Pavlova in Russia. Have a look. This is a front flipper called Kori. The knife has a titanium handle with blue anodized clip and spacer blue color as well. And the blade has a 4-inch length and it's M390 steel. The knife has a frame lock and produced in 2019. Each knife Kori has serial number. Here is serial number 7 from 100 pieces overall produced. The knife perfectly centered and has good mechanic, very smooth. Knife has bearings inside. You can order this knife from our shop. We can accept PayPal payments, credit cards, money transfer to Western Union or bank transfer. Welcome to our store. Bye.